Introducing Canva Kitz. It's an all-in-one designer for unlimited traffic and sales. Your visual content is ready to post in a few seconds. Canva Kitz is custom-made by a team of professionals just for you, as you will not find our templates anywhere included in the Canva library, whether you're using a free account or a pro account. These are the best tools you need to grab customer attention with professional visual content. You're designed like a professional and under your control with Canva Kitz. Just 3 simple and easy ways to create high-quality design promos with Canva Kitz collections. Step 1. Log in and select a template. Step 2. Edit template with Canva. Step 3. Export and post. Yes! Is easy and fast, right? You can create unlimited high-converting promotion designs in a few seconds. You'll get 1,900 plus templates for your business. Check out our templates. You only need Canva Kitz to make the best promotion on your post, ads, blog, and many more. No more create yourself. No more stress. No more wasting time. Canva Kitz helps you save countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. Today is your day because you will get a special price and commercial license. So you can start working hard as a professional graphics creator and sell unlimited designs creation services on social media or website services and make your 100% profit. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price for Canva Kitz will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below